Good evening, Bangalore. From Bangalore. Hope I'm audible. Let let the weather speak for itself. I don't know if the camera is doing justice, but the weather is 5 star, bro. 5 out of 5. It's amazing. So you can look at the road, right? See water. See, it's fully watery. Actually, it rained a few hours back, and the ride after a rain in this cool weather, oh my god, it is just amazing. So it's just crazy, like your legends, the people who are subscribed to me now are really the real G's, the real legends, the real gangsters. I think so I have around 35 or something right now. So it's crazy. It's like literally I'm speaking with at least 35 people per video. You know what I mean? 35 लोग तो देख ही लेंगे. If you are subscribed, I hope you will watch my videos and take some valuable insight out of it. I will keep it short only, bro. 10 minutes, 15 minutes, just like a bro talk. Like, just imagine that you're sitting behind me, or you're calling your bro. We'll just have a good talk, and bye. Hey, Hanuman fans, come on. Jai Shri Ram. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿ ಡೆಕೋರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ. ವಾವ್, every day is beautiful, bro. You just got to notice the small things. Every day is beautiful. Jai Shri Ram. Yep. Today was an amazing day. Like, they called us for the meeting and they actually appreciated me. My team appreciated me. They wanted the inputs, like how I'm such a high performing guy. Yeah, I'm a high performing guy at work also, bro. I'm the topper. I'm the best of the best. You know what? The way you do one thing is the way you do everything. Really, bro. I'm a top. Not only in my self growth, but I am also top in my office, bro. Sheesh. Look at this. Jai Shri Ram. How amazing it is, bro. Nice. Traffic is also on point. What, sir? ಯಾವುದು? ಹೊಸೂರ್. ಹೊಸೂರ್ full straight. First will come Chandapura, then Atibele, then ಹೊಸೂರ್. Let's see how it goes. My god. Okay, so yeah, where was I? As I was saying, bro, wait a minute. Traffic ji. Allalalalalalalala. Hey. It's really hard to talk. It's really hard to focus while driving, bro. My God. Now I know why nobody does this, bro. I think so. Nobody does what I do in the internet. I actually use the internet a lot. Actually, I consumed a lot of internet stuff, right? And as per my knowledge, nobody is doing what I'm doing, bro. Logging out of office and freaking just traveling the same roads, but trying to share some wisdom, trying to share some time, making my time even productive in traveling. Wow, 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 wow. These struggles, girls will not understand, bro. Girls will not understand your hustle. Girls will not understand your grind. They only think that yeah, he is going to regret in the future. Arey, he is a childish. Arey, yes, that, he is this, he is a best. And keep speaking, bitch. But that was a good rant. You know what I mean? Girls are just distractions, bro. If okay, let's keep it straight. Let's keep it straight. Let's not be so misogynic, so like misinformed. The main thing is, girls are okay only and only if they support you in your growth, which is actually very rare, puppy, very rare. So if you don't find a girl who supports you in your goals, in your dreams, who at least understands you a little bit, and oh bro, I'm not gonna cross this. I'm really sorry, I'm not gonna cross this. Oh, आज तो पूरा का पूरा डेट सेट है भाई. जय साइकिल वाला. Oh, cool bike, bro. Bellini or what? I'm waiting. I'm waiting for the moment where I just reach to a point where I spit only facts, only wisdom, only knowledge, and that too every day. And in that video, it gets converted to shorts, and even the short gets uploaded every day. You open the internet, it should be only me. But yeah, I'm not crazy, but yeah, let's make that happen, bro. Slowly. As soon as uploading, uploading 3 times every day is getting easy. Let's see if going forward I keep on increasing the frequency, and one day we keep on uploading every single day. Everything is scheduled. You know, there is one tip for all the people who is trying to create content like me. I know in your busy schedule it is not possible to like edit and post every single day, right? So there is something called as schedule. Even I didn't know that. Nobody actually, there's no reason to share this stuff, right? Only people who create content know this. There's an option called as schedule content. Not only in Reels, even in YouTube it is there. So like for example, I go home, I edit all the content I have for the day, and maybe from the past few days it is edited. And so for example, project 1 I upload it tomorrow, project 2 I upload it day after tomorrow, project 3 I schedule it to day after tomorrow, and you're all set, buddy. You're having lunch and your reel is getting uploaded. You're having you're working in your office and your YouTube video gets uploaded. People should think ये तो पूरा unemployed है यार, क्या कर रहे हैं यार, he's uploading in random times. But maybe this banda don't have any job. But that's not true. There's something called a schedule option. Please use that. Future creators, if you're listening, if you're getting motivated, come on. You also create some content, man. Why? Let me ask you a question. Why are you trying to save a reputation? that you have never built, right? Lenga. You don't have any reputation. Nobody knows you other than your friends. What image are you trying to save? What thing are you afraid to take risk of? Risk? Are you afraid to speak in the camera? Practice it, man. Just, it's a process, right? You gotta love yourself first, and you gotta get confident. How you get confident? By doing the things you say you will do. You know what I mean, bro? If you say I'm gonna go to the gym today, you gotta go to the gym. It makes you a little bit confident. If you say that I want to wake up early tomorrow, you gotta wake up early tomorrow. You gotta love yourself. You gotta take care of yourself. Slowly the confidence level builds up. The momentum is a very powerful thing. Use the momentum. I'm using the momentum right now. I reached the point where I'm smooth. I just plan it out. I just plan it out in my mind. I just think once and boom, I execute it. I don't think before I execute. Yes, you heard it right, bro. I don't think. I don't care if that content is good or bad. I don't care if you like it or not. I don't care. I don't care, bro. I just click on upload. Boom. Ara boom. What a crazy rant today was, bro. Huh? बाइक का तो एनर्जी बढ़ रहा है. बूम बूम. हाँ, क्या करे ब्रो? इस साइड से जाओ क्या? अरे रे. Yeah, come on. Oh yeah. X Pulse Pro. If you don't go for regular off-roading, like if you don't take the bike for off-roading every few weeks, you don't need to buy the Pro version, bro. Come on. For daily commute, don't take the professional bike out. It's only for off-roading and for crazy races. Race. You know, this is literally the off-road king. But there is a new segment killer. I know you guys heard about that new Pulsar 400. 1.85 lakhs only, 400cc. Like, bro, are you kidding me? Yeah, I should not have taken so much risk. But maybe it was worth it. अरे ताताजी, don't do. अरे दादाजी. Oh my God. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ದಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಬರೀ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ದಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅಗ್ರಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್, I mean Kannada speakers, bro. I'm really lucky. All the hard work was worth it. All the sacrifice was worth it. I visualized this actually, that one day I will be able to do this by saving all the bugs, even taking credit to do this. The thing is, bro, it was all worth it, bro, because I don't think without creating content I would be doing everything that I do, because I really get the energy like to travel. Like, who will travel like freaking every day 20-25 like 50 kilometers? Are you crazy? The only reason I'm getting the motivation to do this is I'm able to record. So by recording and motivating you guys or inspiring or giving some value to you guys, in exchange I get the power to do this and the energy to do this. So it's all like a circle, bro. It's all a circle. It's a lovely circle. I'm blessed. I'll not stop this. Don't ever think that I will ever stop. It's all over, baby. The stage is gone. The talking stage is gone. I will do this. I will do that. I will do this. No, bro. Stop talking. Stop talking about your goals. Just do it. Then come to me and then let's talk, I like the people who just I just think words are mostly fake. People actually use you for entertainment most of the time, but words are actually fake, man. I don't believe in words. Mainly action, the way they behave with you or behind you. Like, you can just get to know if they like you or they are a little bit egoistic. So keep eyes out. Not everyone who talks with you friendly, hi, is thinking good for you. Okay, stay strong there, man. There's a crazy world out there. You need to be crazy too. Yeah, let's keep it simple, guys. 17 minutes तक काफ़ी होता है. Enjoy this crane, whatever this is. Okay. Oh, bye, friends. Good night. Hasta la vista, baby.